Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how you can manage your email notification on Fiverr. Maybe you want to manage your email notification that you get from Fiverr but you don't know how. So today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can manage your email notification on Fiverr. Check the video description and I'll try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Fiverr application. Once you open your Fiverr application, you'll see the icons below. The home icons, the message icons, the search icon, the list icon, and then your main profile icon. In this video, you have to tap on this your profile icon. So to manage your email notifications, simply tap on this preferences under the settings. And then in here, choose notification and also choose the email notification to manage it. And now you can manage your email notification. You can toggle this button if you don't want an inbox messages. And you have also control on this order messages, order updates, and rating reminders. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can manage your email notification on Fiverr, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to manage your email notification on Fiverr, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.